Are you down, down, down tonight, baby? Alam nyo ba kung gaano kadali ang pag-upload ng music sa Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal, and more? Ako, ang gamit ko, TuneCore. TuneCore is a music distribution platform that delivers your songs to these 150 plus digital streaming platforms worldwide. They also collect your revenue and give it back to you. So sino nga ba ang mga gumagamit ng TuneCore? Sino pa kundi yung mga idol natin na sila Skastakli, Flo G, CLR, Terno Recordings, Maxi Andreyson, Riz Lansangan, Sasa Girl, at syempre, ako. Kaya abangan nyo yung mga paparating kong music. So paano nga ba to? Madali lang. Syempre, unang-una sa lahat, gumawa muna kayo ng account. Lagay nyo yung pangalan nyo. And then, your email address, create your own password, confirm, and then choose a country or territory. Siyempre, nandito tayo sa Pilipinas, so hit Philippines, ayan. Hit agree, and then sign up. And then, pick an unlimited plan. And yes, you can upload an unlimited number of songs sa TuneCore. Alam nyo ba na ang TuneCore has 3 plans? Rising Artist Plan, Breakout Artist Plan, and Professional Plan. Ang Rising Artist Plan, ito ay para sa isang main artist. Whether solo, duo, trio, group, or band, itong plan na to ang pinakabagay sa inyo and it's only 23 USD par. Breakout Artist Plan naman is the same as Rising Artist Plan but it comes with additional perks for only 40 USD. And then, Professional Plan is for mga independent labels or collectives where you can manage 2 or more artists. So, ang pipiliin ko dito ay Rising Artist Plan. Try nyo din ang split features nila. Ang split features ay para sa inyong mga collaborators. Dito nila makukuha ang percentage na pag-usapan nyo sa inyong mga royalties. At syempre, dapat meron din TuneCore account ang inyong collaborator. At syempre, pwede ka na magbayad ng mga plans mo gamit ang GCash. At ito pa, gamitin nyo ang promo code ko na NIK35 para makakuha ng 35% discount. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Alam ko marami kayong kanta kaya mag-upload na kayo sa TuneCore. Baby, are you down? Let me know if you're down, down. Are you down, down, down tonight? Let me know if you're down so I can show you around. Ta-da-na, ta-da-na.